because of what we practice. During practice, I was able to get them on time to regain some confidence because I believe anyone from them naman can score. That's why they are very confident, and then alam nila magkakaroon sila ng great time. And besides, we lost in our game, last game against Magnolia. So in order for us to get into the top four, so those team contender for the top four, I'm talking Ginebra, Magnolia, and Pocket-Tex and the other teams. So that's why the players are really eager to beat Ginebra. Because last time we watched their game, so they playing like kahit hindi sila walang shoot number, nakikita mo naman na very organized, and that's one thing we want to do. So we have to pressure them and out-hustle them, and then that's the only way how we can beat a very organized team.
Thank you, Coach. Now, CJ, pinag-usapan na natin before the game yung pagbawi mo, especially with the dip of your scoring output last game. Kanina, nung lumalabit yung Ginebra, you took and made big shots. Gaano na yung factor yung ang gusto mo personally to make up for your performance that game?
I think, nag-usapan natin na kailangan bumawi, pero it's just a team effort talaga, and credit sa bench namin na game. And sa akin naman, kung darating yung laro, i-take yung approach, and ayun nga, ang last year kasi, I'm taking bad shots. Ngayon, medyo tumama ako sa outside shots. Yun, talagang, thank God na pumasok yung mga outside shots. Hindi, siyempre, bago pa akong klase. Pero, hindi naman tumindi sila coach, mga coaches nila, may mga naging more sa mga ginagawa ko mga klase.
We're now ready to eliminate questions.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, probably could have been more kung hindi naman last game. This game, maganda yung start mo rin. Like Magnolia na sustaining yung malaking club.
Yeah, I think that's the lesson we've learned because we're leading by 14 points in a certain period of time, and then we have the tendency to relax. And before the third quarter, I reminded them this is the pivotal, and we don't want to relax because of what we experienced in the last, actually not only Magnolia, last 3 games, we're leading, so we have the tendency to relax. And I think because of that reminders to them, so we want to have the killer instinct na hinahanap. We have to develop that because a lot of teams really are getting better and better, and we know na we are the target of every opponent.
Coach, ang next year is T4 against TNT. So, kayo, siyempre, potential tour kayo ng TNT. Ay, agad sila. Ikaw naman sa social media.
Yeah, that is one of the reasons they played well because they know our schedules against Ginebra and Pocket-Tex. So we cannot afford to lose against Ginebra, and then so that we cannot lose our confidence against Pocket-Tex. And although Pocket-Tex lost to NLEX, but they are the champion team. So they know how to win, they know how to lose, and I'm sure they will bounce back from their loss. But as far as our team is concerned, we have to be consistent in what we are doing. Since game 1, I think this is the kind of game I have for them. And I'm so happy for them because everybody's responding and everybody was on the same page. And makikita niyo naman kanina, we issued 26 assists and more than assists of Ginebra. Usually Ginebra, but we have to minimize our turnover dahil the turnover, we're averaging 17 turnover. And I'm happy for tonight because our bench points only averaging 31. And tonight we have 46. and then everybody's played well because their mindset is to play well and beat Ginebra.
Hindi masasabi lang dun sa game na yun, both teams gusto patunayan. Yung pag-game na yun, sa pagiging sumatan yun, chances sa mag-champion this year.
No, it's not really to show them that's the that we are the barometer of the PBA and the one Filipino, but what we're doing today, we have to keep on improving every day, every practice, every game. And I think tonight, it's a lot of improvement. And we want to be consistent on that. Because learning is hindi mo pwedeng kalimutan yan. Because if you're not learning, so you will find out in the end they will catch up. And we have to learn, keep on learning every practice, every game. And I'm so happy for them because everybody is trying their best to improve on their individual skills. And makikita naman yung si CJ because of his shooting drills. And then after our practice yesterday, nagpaiwan siya, took a lot of shots in the practice, and then that's the result. And I'm so happy for them because they know the importance of this conference.
Adding to that, syempre, yun nga, natalo kami sa Magnolia and nanalo namin yung Ginebra and susunod namin yung TNT na makakalaban. So we need to be ready. Hindi namin kailangan mag-relax. And yun nga, all Filipino, parang ang inaasahan nila is something, but it's a different basketball na ngayon. Parang we just have two more, kaya parang nakita yung contender, pero yun nga, it's a team effort. I think yung mas maganda yung camaraderie, chemistry sa mga games, I think yun yung mananalo. And maging consistent kami sa ginagawa namin every practice, every game. Actually, this is the first time na ganito dumipensa yung San Miguel. And we credit sa mga coaches na pinuputin na talaga sa amin every practice yung defense. And yeah, we're grateful na we're winning ngayon habang maaga. And we will continue to win kaya.
CJ, game mo yung kumpiyansa na nakakakuha mo after this performance of this?
I think yung kumpiyansa, sabi naman nandiyan is just kung paano ko ilabasin, paano ko gamitin. Parang minsan kasi nagigil ako pag first quarter kasi yun nga, first win, yung hingal lang doon, pero minsan din na nakakapag-isip. Pero nag-a-adjust ako and pinaghahandaan ko kung paano ko mag-start ng maayos at mag-defensa din ng maayos.
Yeah. Coach, nilaro mo si Jay yung Calipang for the first time. Nilaro mo si Jay yung Calipang for the first time.
Yeah, that's right. That was his first time, because he joined us 2 days before our first game, and he has to know what's going on in our team, and he keeps on adjusting, and then slowly nakukuha niya. That's why tonight against Ginebra, so we're able to give him some time. I hope na this time he gets he will gain some confidence because. Coming from a different team, so they will surprise what we're doing. But I'm so happy for him and very patient. And then attitude-wise, nakikita naman natin na talagang on the same page with the team. Talagang team players.
Alright. And that wraps up our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Galit mo yan, ha?